Alright guys, today I'm doing a video on cooking a sort of like a vegan pizza sort of thing. What we have here is vegan cheese, plant-based as you can see. This was on sale, and here's the ingredients you guys want to see there. So they use cassava starch and sunflower seed protein. Here it is right there. And then I'm going to use this type of marinara sauce called Rouse. I think I got this on sale at Costco. There's the ingredients there if you guys want to see it. There's the nutrient panel. And I got this flatbread. That's plain. This one was free from certain things, but may contain certain things there, so just be aware of that. Here's the nutrient panel. So I'm going to cook this up. I'm going to make it sort of like a mini pizza flatbread thing, and I'll do a quick taste test. Stay tuned, guys. So I have it in the Ninja air fryer right now, and then we'll do a quick taste test. So I'll show you what it looks like in about 2 minutes. Alright guys, so it is done in the air fryer. As you can see, it's nice and hot. Did a little square there. We're gonna do a quick taste test. So this cheese here, we'll do a quick taste test from the top. It doesn't really melt well, as you can see. It doesn't melt at all. And it sort of blows it all over the place, but it's fine. As far as cheese goes for taste, it's not bad for mozzarella, but it's a crispy mozzarella, so yeah. It has the hint of flavor of cheese, but it doesn't. It dissolves in your mouth like almost instantly. So, all right, let's try this. Right, guys, here it is, all done. We're gonna do a quick taste test right now. Look at that. Okay, so it's actually pretty good. That tomato sauce is actually really almost fresh tasting. It's actually has a nice tomato marinara taste to it, and the bread is very soft and chewy and crispy on the sides. Turned out really good, guys. Definitely check it out. If you have questions, comments, subscribe to the channel.